Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Chloe.
Hey, sorry I missed your party
Where is the party?
and Friday flight.
I want to go see it. I want to go see it.
Well, aren't you being a little baby?
I
Well, tell her you love her and goodbye.
want
So I love you. Tell her what you're fixing to go do. You're going to see who? Ryden.
I want to go see Claire.
I know.
I want to go see it.
So you can go see her. She's coming. You're going to the beach with her.
I want to go see her.
Well, come here. Come here. Wave bye. You're not being a very nice girl. Wave bye. Rivers. Look, there's their picture. Where's their picture? Look, right. No, where's Tress and Chloe's? There it is. Give Chloe a kiss. Give Chloe a kiss.
No.
Okay. Well, say bye-bye. Say bye. Okay. That's a good one. That's good as gold. Goodbye.